So actually the Skywalk at DYMPEP, the work has started, I think so, in the month of November last year, where the progress of the work is ongoing. And according to the reports from the department, the ongoing progress is around 20% till date. So I'm very, very confident that once completed, this project will ultimately boost the tourism, in fact, in the DYMPEP area and its adjoining areas. And it'll be one of its kind, because we do understand that the projection will be around to the length of 40 meters. So I think so it's one of the first, I think so, in the northeast. So I think so it'll be able to attract many tourists when they come to this part of the area. The project cost of the Skywalk at DYMPEP is around 51 crores, and the tentative time for completion of this particular project, according to the reports from the department, I think so will be in the later part of 2027. So with regard to the NANGKIEW project, yes, we got the sanction last year in the month of November under the PM Divine scheme. The total project cost is around 38 crores, and the tendering process has just been completed. It has just been allotted to a contractor. So I think so they'll be starting the work in the few days to come.